Amid boos from the Adelaide crowd, Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant step in to calm a fired-up Mohammed Siraj. With day 3 looming, can Rishabh Pant, Nitish Reddy and Ashwin turn the tide for Team India? Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel MKK The Daily Pulse, your one destination for updates around the world. Day 2 of the Gavaskar Trophy was nothing short of a roller coaster. Australia took a commanding lead thanks to Travis Head's explosive 140, pushing them to a solid 337, a whopping 157 runs ahead of India's 180. But the drama wasn't just on the scorecard. Mohammed Siraj found himself under fire from the Adelaide crowd after giving a fiery send-off to Head. Earlier incidents with Manus Labuschagne and Head had already set the stage for this showdown. Even legendary Sunil Gavaskar had some harsh words for Siraj's over-the-top reaction. On the bowling front, Jasprit Bumrah and Siraj were the heroes for India, each snaring 4 wickets. Bumrah, despite struggling with cramps, kept pushing through. Ashwin and newcomer Nitish Reddy also chipped in with 1 wicket each. India's batting, however, was a different story to own. They crumbled to 128 for 5 at stumps, still trailing by 29 runs, a tough spot indeed. KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma all fell victim. But all hope isn't lost. Rishabh Pant, ever the entertainer, counterattacked brilliantly. From a reverse pull to a falling hook, his shots were a masterclass in aggression. He and Nitish Reddy, who is steady at 15*, are India's last stand for day 3. Cheteshwar Pujara had some thoughts too. He pointed out India's struggle with the pink ball and the difficulty in making a comeback after losing key wickets. So, what's next? Can Pant's heroics, along with Reddy and Ashwin, turn the tide for India? Stay tuned to find out. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.